lost their friends. Capital keeps flowing, but the heat is back in the kitchen. CryptoPovar Alert of the day. PC inflation came in 3.7, a little above what the market was expecting. Core stayed steady at 3.3, so the inflation story is not cooling easily. Rate hike pricing started moving up again, 36 to 44 after the numbers came in. That is market pricing, not the Fed's final call, but hotter inflation gives them less room after all. One side brings demand, one side brings the heat. Capital keeps coming while macro pushes back its feet. The market has two forces pulling opposite ways, so we watch the reaction over the coming days. Heat meets flow, and the market feels both. Inflation runs hot while big capital still goes. 44%, but the demand has not gone. Alert of the day, two forces moving on. Heat meets flow, Bitcoin still holds strong. 8 ETF sessions keep the capital coming on. Less noise, more signal, no rush, no chase. CryptoPovar watches which force will set the pace. Bitcoin is holding near 78.8, Ethereum near 2.49 today. Bitcoin and Ethereum funds keep receiving new demand. Eight positive sessions now are written in the sand. Regulated capital still keeps entering the space, even while tighter policy could become a stronger case. But greed is elevated around 80 on the scale, so strong demand alone does not mean risk can fail. If rate expectations rise and yields begin to climb, Bitcoin may have to prove its strength another time. But if capital keeps flowing through a harder macro scene, that resilience itself becomes important to be seen. One side brings demand, one side brings the heat. Capital keeps coming while macro pushes back its feet. The market has two forces pulling opposite ways, so we watch the reaction over the coming days. Heat meets flow, and the market feels both. Inflation runs hot while big capital still goes. 44%, but the demand has not gone. Alert of the day, two forces moving on. Heat meets flow, Bitcoin still holds strong. 8 ETF sessions keep the capital coming on. Less noise, more